Hello, it's Chris from My Stamp Lady. I am here to share with you some brand new products from Stampin' Up! They will be available starting June 3rd in the next annual catalog. So we have the Celebrate Sunflowers. Gorgeous set, nice big sunflower. I have the sunflowers dies that coordinate with that set. I'm also using one of the new in colors, and that is the Bumblebee color. So you can see I have a package here. There is the Bumblebee right there, as I've used some of it. But we also have Misty Moonlight, Cinnamon Cider, and there's some more Bumblebee, Just Jade, let's see, Magenta Madness. I think I got all the colors there. Yes, those are the next in colors. So I'm going to start off showing you how I cut out the sunflowers, and then we'll move into the background in that gorgeous background paper. From this designer series paper, I'm going to use the detailed sunflower die, place that down, and run that through my Big Shot. So you're going to end up with this gorgeous detailed sunflower piece. Now I have some pieces that I've already cut out. I used this open piece to cut out this piece of crushed curry. I actually don't have the Bumblebee solid paper yet. It's coming soon. I did that in a separate order, and that's on its way. But you can see this is what they're kind of the comparison to crushed curry and the Bumblebee. This piece, I am using the Tasteful Texture. This is one of the brand new 3D folders. I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. So when you're done with that, you have this gorgeous texture on there. And then I'm taking, to add a little bit of color to that, I am taking my crushed curry and a sponge. This is just a portion of the sponge. I cut it a little bit smaller, and I'm adding some texture around the outside of this, just along the edge with the deepening of the color. This is the center. So then I need to line up my flower. So this is going to be the details. This is the center, and I am just going to put some liquid adhesive in the center there, and then I'll slip that right underneath, and this way I will know where that is going to go. I will take my clear Wink of Stella, and I'm going to add some shimmer to that center. And I'll just show you on my finished one what that's going to look like. So you can see, hopefully, the shimmer in there. Okay, now I need to add some adhesive to this background. I have been using spray glue to spray the back side of these fine pieces. So I'm going to go ahead, go over to my spray box and spray this. Line that up. Look at that. There I have my gorgeous flower. So I can set that aside for now, because now I'm going to do that background. Now I have the Old World paper, and I am placing this as a 6x6 folder. Okay, so when I take that out of my folder, I have the gorgeous kind of scrunched look. And then you can use whichever side you'd prefer. I'm going to spritz mine with a little bit of Old Olive ink refill mixed with some rubbing alcohol. So just spritz that. Let's give that a second to dry. So while that's taking some time to dry, I'm going to show you how I do my sentiment piece. So this is the Thanks a Bunch from the stamp set. I'm stamping it with Early Espresso ink. And so down and up. And then this is also, actually this one is available right now to customers. It's called the Ornate Layers. I'm going to use this piece right here. And you'll notice when I line that up, and before I die cut that, it's a little bit too long. This is one of my favorite techniques to adjust the size. So I'm going to line it up so that it's a little closer to this edge over here, and then I'll show you how I cut that off. Okay, so you see my first cut comes out like that. And then what I'm going to do is when I line this up, I am just going to line it up top to bottom with the stitching on the side. That stitching kind of helps it grab into place. And once I have that where I want it, then I'm going to just run this through up to here and cut this part off. So I'll be right back with that. And then once you've taken that off, just push that out, and you have it so that it's lined up neatly the length that you would like it. It's my favorite part of doing that technique. Okay, let's check into where we are here. So this is dried nicely, And now I'm just going to put some liquid glue on the back side and glue this onto my soft suede cardstock mat. I have all of the sizes and the dimensions over on my website so that you can look them up there and all the products that I used. So I've done another one just like I did the first one, and we're going to put that down underneath, and then this will be placed over that. Some liquid glue on the back side of that. And let's put that down. I've cut these leaves out of old olive cardstock, and they're the dies that come with that sunflower set. It's just these two dies right here. Just put some adhesive on the back side there. I'm going to slip these underneath, and then we'll put that glue back down. See, I will put dimensionals on the back side. I love giving them a little bit of lift. I will put dimensionals on the back side of this one to give it a little bit of lift. And let's put our sentiment there. Now to finish this card off, I did add some of the 2020 to 2022 enamel dots, same as the other in colors. I'm using the cinnamon cider with this. And so we'll just put this up on here. Now you can find a lot more information about this card on my website, mystamplady.com, and you look for this particular card. There, I thought that just gave it a nice little finish. But this is going to be available June 3rd, and it is the sunflower, the Celebrate Sunflowers, and the sunflower die set, along with some other additional products. If you like this card, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.